Hi, I'm Todd Langwell, the Flying Furniture Guy from R&D Woodshop in Scotia, New York. Today I'm going to show you how to remove hot coffee cup rings off wood furniture. Inevitably, somebody's going to leave a hot cup of coffee or water, and you're going to start to see a white ring that starts to film up. There's a couple of different processes that you can use. The one I like the best is you take a hot iron, you take a white low nap towel, you iron, rotating the towel often, because what you want to do is you want to create the heat to push the moisture back out of the furniture, and at the same time you don't want to embed the towel into your furniture. Okay, after about 5 minutes of continuous rubbing, moving the cloth and the iron, there we go. You can see that the ring, that's gone. I'm Todd Langwell, the Flying Furniture Guy, and this was how to remove hot coffee cup rings off wood furniture.